Today, I'm in Walnut Creek, California, and the reason that I'm here is to show you a 20-foot wide by 30-foot long prefab home that has never been on the channel before. Yes, that's right. What you're looking at is the M6 from Masaya Homes. It's 600 square feet in which they've got one bedroom, one bathroom, a spacious living room, and a dynamite kitchen. All that's left to do now is to get behind the camera and have a look around. So let's do that. Whoa, okay, starting down the back side of this home, you can see just how good it looks on this property. It's currently tucked into the back corner, and that's because in about a week, it will be in use as an ADU. It's a secondary structure on the property. They are going for occupancy in 1, possibly 2 days. So it is about 98% done. It's as close as you can get without being done. So we're gonna jump inside and see exactly what that looks like. So what are we gonna talk about first? I think as with everything from Masaya Homes, check out the 5-foot eave on the front with the built-in pot lights. One of my favorite features on everything that they do. So if I back up a little bit, we can talk about this layout. On the right-hand side, this sliding glass door, that goes into the bedroom. The bathroom is behind that. And then over here, this sliding glass door goes directly into the living space. And behind that is the kitchen. You can see they've got the high side of the roof facing the front, meaning they've got the extra windows on the front of the home, letting in more natural light, which is always a good thing. I think this is my favorite of anything that I've seen from Masaya Homes so far. I'm gonna sneak under this orange tree. I think that's what it is, possibly lemon. Didn't get a close look. And we're gonna jump inside and see exactly what this home is all about. They've got the metal roof on it. And as I come around this side, you will see there is a third entrance. This is likely the entrance that would get used most of the time. So that is the entrance that we will use. The exterior cladding on this is teak, and they've got the accents there in the eave, which look awesome. Let's check it out. Welcome inside the M6 from Masaya Homes. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the M series, basically the way it works is you take the number behind the M and multiply it by 100 to get the size of the home. So M4, 400 square feet. M6, 600 square feet. And what I like about the M6 is the extra width you get in a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom model. One thing that I do want to mention before we continue is this is not a volumetric modular. So they have a little more flexibility on the length and width because it's a panelized system. This ships in a shipping container, arrives at the foundation, and for this specific build, it was 5 months from the time they broke ground to exactly what you are looking at today, which again is 3, possibly 4 days away from completion. Lots to look at. Let's continue. It's possible that you notice that there is no furniture in here. And again, that's because we're 1, possibly 2.5 days away from this home being completed. So that means we're gonna have to put our thinking caps on. Imagine maybe we got a TV over there, boom. Coffee table in the middle, how are you? And then over here, somewhere it's likely at some point there will be a couch. But beyond that, we're really here just to see the structure anyways, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Here's a look at the sliding glass door out onto the deck. They've got the clear story window up above on the high side. Let's go around this way and have a look at the sidewall. Again, we've got the window right there. Lots of room in this space for a couch and the clear story window up top. This is the door that I would likely enter more often than not because based on where the driveway comes in, that is the closest access. And then I'd be going out the sliding glass doors when I'm accessing the deck. Okay, backing up this way, here's a look at the kitchen, complete with, I believe that's a 3 by 7-foot island. It might be an upgrade to go to the overhang. I'm not entirely sure on that, but if so, that is definitely something that I would be opting for because it's nice to belly up to and enjoy a snack or a conversation, you name it, you can do it at an island like this. They've got 3 skylights in here. Let's go check out the kitchen. As with everything that I've been in from Masaya Homes, they've got the fridge on the right-hand side. It's got shelves up above. I like these 2 big open shelves right here. And as I go across, you'll see the sink with a window behind. You've got the stove over there with the microwave up above. And we've got some cabinets down here. This is a little bit different configuration than some of the other homes that I've been in. So yeah, let's take a quick look. Over here, we've got the 2 open shelves on the bottom with 2 doors up above, both having 3 shelves. Very nice. Down below, we've got 2 banks of pots and pans drawers, complete with the hidden drawer for cutlery right there. I like it. Likely the same over here. Yeah, you betcha. And down below is going to be an open drawer. Okay, coming back this way, we've got another bank of drawers there. We've got the door that opens, which way? There it goes, to the under sink storage there. Dishwasher, another bank of drawers or possibly a garbage drawer. It is in fact a bank of pots and pans drawers. We've got 3 more banks of drawers here in the island. So if you like storage in a kitchen, you are going to love this. They've got the hidden drawer over here on the right-hand side. Big fan, love it. Don't have it in my house, hope to one day. We'll see what happens. Now, as far as heating and cooling goes, you've got the mini split up there on the wall. They've got the 10-inch wide vertical planks for most of the wall with the accent there in the sloped section of the roof, let's call it. Had a bit of a stun there. This, I have been told, is a new option. So let's have a look. Right here in the hall section, they've got this built-in cabinet right there. This on this side here is wide open in a taller section, so perfect place for a broom and any cleaning supplies. As I pan around to the left, you will see they do have a spot for laundry right there, which is a very, very important piece of the puzzle for a lot of people. If it's not in a home, boy, do I ever hear about it in the comments. Got this cabinet right here, perfect for a broom. So we've got a couple different spots for a broom. And down here, watch this. As I enter in, oh, it's dark. Boom, light comes on automatically. They've got the tile floor in the bathroom, walk-in shower with a black hardware over here. And there you go. That's the shower for you. Beside that, they've got the toilet with the window up above. And beside that, they've got the vanity with 2 drawers. All right, 1 and 2. All custom cabinets from Masaya Homes. And as I head out this way, you might be wondering, well, what's left? The answer is the main bedroom. So, sliding glass door, thinking caps back on. I would likely put, oops, tripped on the cardboard. The bed, where would I put the bed? I would put the bed on this wall, I believe. And then over here, you've got, no, I think I would actually put it on this wall, beside the window. And then I've got easy access to the closet. And I would put a dresser on the wall that I originally said I would put the bed. So, was that helpful? I doubt it, but you know what? Here we are. Let's have a look in the closet. Oh, look at this. Built-ins in the closet. I had no idea. And a light. I like that. Let's get a look at that. Where's that coming from? Okay, it's a light strip. Very, very nice surprise there. Loving the built-ins on this side. We got to see what's going on the other side as well, because this whole time on this entire trip, I don't think I've opened any closets, but I'm glad I did. You can hang your clothes over here. You can put all your other stuff over there. Very nice setup. That pretty much wraps up the entire walkthrough. It's tripped on the cardboard again of the M6. So I guess all that's really left to do now is get one last look at this kitchen. We're gonna get one last look at the living room, and then we should probably talk about the pricing. There you have it, folks, the M6 from Masaya Homes, 20 feet wide, 30 feet long for a total footprint of 600 square feet, in which they've got one bedroom, one bathroom, the spacious living room, and the full kitchen. Here's a look at the floor plan, and while you're looking at that, I'll get into the pricing. This home has an all-in price starting at $389,800. For an in-depth look at exactly what is included in that figure, check out the link in the description below. That is it for me here today in Walnut Creek. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.